In this video example, we'll be showing how to install the MetaLocator software into Shopify. First thing I'll do when logged into my Shopify store is I'll go to the MetaLocator Store Locator software listing within Shopify's App Store and just click Get. When I click Get, it'll install the app into MetaLocator's application and click Install App when prompted with the blue button. That will create an account within MetaLocator's online store locator platform and bring you to the Getting Started wizard. The first thing to do when onboarding with MetaLocator is to add some store location data. So the first thing I'll do is click Continue at the prompt to add some data. I can choose the type of data I'll be importing into MetaLocator. We support things like events and people and any kind of spreadsheet. In this example, I'll be covering the import of store locations, so I'll click Locations. We can take data in from a lot of different places. You can add them one by clicking Manual, or you can import them in a spreadsheet, which is the most preferred option. If you're not sure what sort of spreadsheet format to use, click Download a Sample on that link. I'll choose a spreadsheet that I already have prepared, and I'll pick that from my computer. Click Next. And in this case, I'll leave this option at the default. The data will be imported. And since I'm not importing latitude-longitude information with the data I've imported, I'll need to geocode my data, so I'll click Continue. Just click Start Geocoding in the upper right, and the system will assign latitude-longitude to every location you've imported into the system. Now that the geocoding is complete, all data has been saved. We click OK to continue. The next step is to create an interface. An interface represents the actual store locator that your users will see when they go to your website. So click Continue at the prompt. We can choose from some pre-designed templates. In this example, I'm going to choose this blue template. Feel free to review the various templates and choose one that most closely aligns with what you're trying to accomplish. You can review the various settings before continuing. There's over 300 of them, or you can just accept the defaults as they are and click Save and Close. Don't worry, you can always go back and make modifications later without having to repeat this process. Now that you've created your interface, you can preview that before you install it to your Shopify website and get familiar with the user interface. Feel free to go back and make modifications as necessary. Once you're satisfied with the interface, click the Shopify install link below the installation code. That will create a page in your Shopify store called Locator, and it will install the interface that you've created on that page. If you'd like to review additional changes to the MetaLocator software installation, just click on the title to jump back to MetaLocator and make any modifications there. You only have to install the Shopify installation code once. After that, you can make modifications to your location data, interface settings, and even create additional interfaces directly from the MetaLocator dashboard. If you ever have questions, feel free to click the support button in the lower right, and our help desk will answer your questions promptly. Thanks for evaluating our software.